Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at creating documents that are exactly the same size as another document. Now in Photoshop in the past, when you created a brand new document, for example, if I wanted to create a document the same size as this one behind me, what I could do is open up the new document dialog and go to Window and then select the document. Now you can't do that with this new document dialog, so Photoshop has disabled a tool that we used to use. If you're using the old interface, that would work just fine. But I want to create a document that is the size of this document. So what I'm going to do is click on the background layer just so that I am going to select the entire document. I'm going to press Control A and then Control C. Now that is exactly the same as choosing Select All and then Edit Copy. However, if your document has multiple layers and no one layer has content the size of the entire document, choose Edit and then Copy Merged instead, and that will copy the entire image. Even if your image only has one layer, you can still use Edit, Copy Merged, and it'll work just fine. I'm not actually wanting to copy this, I just want something that is this size on the Windows clipboard, because now if I choose File New, my first option here is the clipboard, and that is the document size of the document underneath. So if I click Create, I now have a document that is exactly the same size as the flower image that I had here. Now another situation in which you may want to have two documents the same size is this. I have a texture here and I want to place it over this flower. Now typically I would rotate this before I resized it, but we're going to do it without that because I want to show you how this works. So what I'm going to do is choose Image and then Image Size. I want to make this particular document the exact same size as the flower image so it can be used as a texture. So what I'm going to do with this dialog open is go and choose Window and then select the flower image, and you'll see that the dimensions of this image change automatically. Now if I just cancel out that and do it again, it works exactly the same even if you've got this constrain option locked. So if you're familiar with that option, you'll know that the constrain option ensures that the width and height relationship doesn't change. Well, we're going to force it to change. Window and then flower, and you can see that that has been unlocked. So you don't have to bother about unlocking it. It's going to unlock automatically. I'll click OK. Now I can simply drag this layer up, hold the Shift key and drop it onto the flower image, and it's going to appear immediately above it. And at this point I can do something like apply the overlay blend mode to blend my texture into my image. So those are a couple of ways that you can create documents, brand new documents that are the same size as an existing document, or should you need to do so, resize an existing document so that it better matches the size of another document. Before we finish up, I have more Photoshop training at Skillshare.com. When you sign up for Skillshare, you get access to thousands of classes there, including over 250 of mine. In the description below is a Skillshare coupon for you, which is at least as good as the current Skillshare offer. Typically mine will be better. Please feel free to share this coupon with family, friends and co-workers. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've learned things about Photoshop of which you were previously unaware. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be alerted when new videos are released. Until next time, my name's Helen Bradley. Thank you so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel.